Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to get no name on Among Us game. So let's start. First open a browser. Now type in u+318d. Now tap on the first link. Here you will see a dot. You have to copy that. Now close the browser and open the Among Us game. Now start a game and on your name placeholder, paste that dot and tap done. Now enter a game. Let's try it again. And here you can see that my name is only a dot. And that is not that much noticeable. It will help you to hide behind a big object from other players. And that's how you can get no name on Among Us game. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.